What's up, everyone, and thank you for joining us at Investing City. And today we're going to be talking about index funds. So an index fund is a group or collection of stocks. And these collections, also known as baskets, broadly make up something called the market. And the most famous index fund is called the S&P 500, which was created by Standard & Poor's. But there are other index funds. For instance, the NASDAQ deals with mostly technology stocks, and the Dow Jones deals with mostly blue chip stocks. But index funds are very quality investment vehicles for three reasons. One, they've returned about 7% annually. Two, they're low fees. And three, they're easy to understand. And these three things make it great for investors to see their returns just go up and up and up without having to worry about doing a lot of the individual stock research.